Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your holidays very well. Students, now time is for study. So let's start our revision of ninth chapter, Being Safe. In last class, we have already started this chapter, Being Safe. In this, we have discussed safety at home. Safety at home. You can be safe at your home by stay away from the fire. Do not play with sharp objects and stay away from the electricity. Okay. Stay away from fire. It is very dangerous. Candles, matchbox and stoves can cause burns. You can be burned by these objects, so stay away from all these objects. Sharp objects, do not play with knives, scissors and blades. You can be injured with these objects, so do not play with these. Electricity, stay away from the electrical switches, wires, plugs and gadgets. They can cause electric shock. You can get an electric shock if you play with electric objects. Okay. Now, safety in school. Students, you have to be safe in school also. Always stand in a queue to get into the bus or get off it. जब आप स्कूल में आते हो या स्कूल से जाते हो, always you have to be in the queue. Don't push each other. You can be injured when you are pushing each other. So always stand in a queue. Don't push each other. Second point, do not climb on chairs and benches. If you fall, you will get hurt. Means in lunch time or whenever a teacher is not in the class, students climb on the chairs and benches. At that time, you don't do this. Don't climb on the chairs and benches. If you fall, you will get hurt. Means you will be injured if you fall. Third point, never put your hands or head outside the window. When you are in the bus, don't put your hand or head outside the window. It can be dangerous for you. You can get injured. Okay, you can get an injury if you put your hand or head outside the window. So don't do this. Fourth point, get on or off the bus only when it has come to a total stop. Only when bus on a total stop, at that time you will on or off. मीन्स जब आपके स्टॉप पर बस पूरी तरीके से रुक जाती है तभी आप उसमें से चढ़ोगे या उतरोगे. ओके, चलती बस में आप अपने प्लेस से नहीं उठोगे. नेक्स्ट, डू नॉट पुश एनीवन. डोंट पुश एनीवन. ओके, अदरवाइज you can be hurt. Next, do not throw things at others and don't throw the things on the others. It is also not good. Now, safety on road. First point, cross the road at the zebra crossing. You can see these tips, white, black. This is called zebra crossing. Only you can cross the road with this zebra crossing. Walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath that is on the roadside. Okay. Otherwise, you can accident may cause. Okay. Follow traffic rules and signals. Always we have to follow the traffic rules and signals to save ourselves by the accident. Okay. Next, do not play on road or near the parked car and buses. We have to play in a park, not on a road. Do not play on the road or near parked car and buses because they can be start anytime and accident can cause. So away from this. Zebra crossing is named after the zebra, which has black and white strips on its skin. Zebra is an animal. It has white and black strips on her skin. On its skin. By the name of this zebra, we have given name the road to zebra crossing that is made for cross the road. Now, let us recall safety at home, at school, and on the road. Stay away from fire. Stay away from sharp objects. Stay away from electrical gadgets, switches, wires, and plugs. Okay. At school, standing in a queue to get into the bus or get off it. Never put your hands or head outside the vehicle window. Get on or off the bus only when it has stopped totally. Do not throw things at others. Do not climb on the chair or benches. Safety on the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Walk on the footpath. Follow traffic rules and signals. Do not play on the road or near parked cars and vehicles. Students, you have to be safe in school or home. Everywhere you have to be very aware of yourself. You can see stairs in home. In schools also you can see stairs. So don't run on the stairs. You have to be very careful at the time of ascending and descending stairs. Okay. So very careful at home and school. Now students, our chapter is finished. You have to be read this chapter and revise carefully. If you have any doubt then you can ask to me. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.